got a problem radiator. It's broken. Try to fix the radiator broken. You see right there. It's right there, right here. It's broken. See.
Got dulu semua kan?
Yeah, we got a new one. I don't know where it's coming from, but this is a new one, ready to install. Open on the top cover. Open the hose, whatever is connecting with the radiator. Open the metal cover on the top. Unplug the connector of the vents and the fans come up. Now you can easy to pull up the radiator. You see the radiator ready to pull up. Definitely take it out from this side. This side. This is the problem. Wow. It's broken right here. Alright. Compare the new one with the old one. Of course, it's kind of like different a little bit on the top, but it's okay. Don't forget to pull everything from the old one to the new one on the side and the bottom. Put the new one back in to the same spot as the old one, and then put all together with the vents and everything, the hoses. I like to change the whole set with the thermostat. After you're done, fill it up everything with the coolant, with the new one, and don't forget to erase the code. Warm up first before you use it. Alright? Good luck.